The Xiaomi 17 Ultra has been officially scheduled for launch on December 25th in China. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra features a centered circular camera island with Leica branding in the middle. It retains the Ultra badge on the upper left of the rear panel. Volume buttons are now separate circular keys for a better feel. It will be available in 3 color options in China: black, white, and starry green. Xiaomi also revealed that the 17 Ultra will have a flat display and an 8.29mm thick body. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra's cameras include 50MP OmniVision OVX10500U main camera, 200MP Samsung S5K HPE telephoto camera, 50MP OmniVision OV50M or Samsung S5K JN5 ultrawide camera, a 50MP OmniVision OV50Me selfie camera. One past rumor claimed it would sport a 6.85-inch LTPO OLED screen with 2K plus resolution and symmetrical bezels on all sides, bezels which will be thinner than any iPhones. Xiaomi 17 Ultra, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB UFS 4.1 storage, will support 100W wired charging as pricing speculated to start around 6,000 yuan. The Xiaomi 17 and Xiaomi 17 Ultra that Xiaomi offers globally, just like the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and smaller Xiaomi 15 before it, also expected to hit the market in early 2026. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.